Hello students, so welcome again. Here I am with another problem on projections of solids. This time the problem will be like this. There will be a square pyramid, side of the base 30 mm and axis 55 mm long. This is the pyramid actually. Its base side will be given, that is 30 mm, and axis will be 55 mm. It is held in such a way so that the apex is in the HP. This apex will be in the HP and 36 millimeter in front of the VP. And after that they are saying that one of the slant edge is perpendicular to the VP. So students, so this is the problem. If you look at this problem, this will be very interesting problem. This is the pyramid. As we want to keep one of the slant edge vertical, so the initial thought will be that I will start with the top view with corner concept. The corner concept, as you know that whenever the corner concept for the square will be applied, then the square will be held in such a way so all the four sides of the square will be equally inclined to the XY line. So taking that in the picture, what I have done, I have started with the top view, and in the top view I have drawn this square, that is ABCD, and the apex will be O. One more condition will be given, the apex will be 36 millimeter from the VP. So this distance I have taken 36. In this particular problem, this distance is also given to me. So what I have done, I have started with top view with the apex 36 millimeter from the XY line. After that I have drawn the front view. Now we got the front view and top view. So our pyramid will be held in such a way so that it will be resting like this. Now in this problem they are saying that the apex will be in the HP. So what I am going to do, I am going to lie this pyramid on this slant edge on the HP. So in the second stage I am going to rotate it like this, and we will copy the front view, and with the help of front view I will draw the top view. Then later on we will decide what will be in the third step. Okay students, so look at the figure. What I have done, I have laid this pyramid on this slant edge, that is O dash C dash on the HP. In the problem we are saying apex on the HP. So what I have done, I want to keep the apex on the HP. So with the help of this slant edge, now the apex will be on the HP. And this is the figure. We have just copied the figure. As you know, this figure will be just copy of this figure. After that, from the first top view we have drawn the locus line, and from the second front view we have drawn the projectors. In the top view, as you know that apex will be nearer to the reference line, so the base will be visible. This will be now held like this. Now from the top the base will be visible, so I have drawn the base, that is A, B, C, D. After that, you know the outer part of the solid will be visible, so outer will be D to O, O to B, and then this line OA, that will be the upper line, that will be visible to me, and the backward line, that will be OC, will be in this inside the base part will be a dotted line. So now at this moment the solid will be kept in such a way so that one of the slant edge will be on the HP and apex will be on the HP. Now what they asked us, they want to make one of the slant edge perpendicular to VP, and with the same condition that the apex will be 36 millimeter from the VP. So now what I am going to do, I am going to turn this pyramid like this. Look at this figure. Now this bottom slant edge, that is OC. In this figure, if you look at this figure, this OC will be on the HP and parallel to VP. In both the projections we are getting the true length. So now you can easily make it perpendicular to VP. You know that whenever a line is perpendicular to VP, its top view will be true length and front view will be a point. So I am going to rotate it like this. Now rotation will be like this. Apex will be towards the VP, so the base will be visible. So in the third step I am going to rotate this pyramid by 90 degree, means this line will be 90 to the reference line. Okay, so in the next figure we will draw. Okay students, so this is the third stage. What I have done, I have rotated this like this. Initially we have laid it on this slant edge. After that I have rotated like this. Now this bottom slant edge will be perpendicular to the VP, that is the slant edge OC. Keeping this distance fixed. So this we have carry forward. This distance will be 36. So the O will be again 36 mm from the XY, means 36 mm from the HP. So we have just copied the figure. Now with the help of this figure, I have to draw the front view. In the front view, we have drawn the locus of all the 4 points, 5 points, and from the top view, we have drawn the projector. Already I have marked the points. Now if you look at this object, as the apex will be nearer, so the base will be visible. So if you just want to recall how we are going to join those points, initially we will join the outer part of the solid. In the case of pyramid or film, so I have drawn this 4 lines, that is from O dash, B dash, A dash and D dash. After that, this line OA, that will be also visible to me. Now look at this figure. This point will be C dash and O dash. Now this is OC. So that is in the problem. Look at this problem. We are saying one of the slant edge is perpendicular to VP. So in this case, this slant edge OC will be perpendicular to VP as well as apex on the HP. So the important will be in the final solution, what we will get, that is asked in the question. So if you remember the problem, we have started with the simple position of the solid. The simple position of the solid will be either the base will be parallel to HP or maybe parallel to VP. Then we have gone to the second stage, then we finally got the third stage, that is the solution. So if you begin properly, then you are going to get the solution. So I think this is one of the very interesting problem earlier asked in RGPV examination. I am not sure in which year, but this is one of very good problem what we will feel, and just draw the problem, understand the concept, that is the important thing. So again, if you look at the problem, we started with top view, draw a square. Drawing a square properly is also important. Most of the time what you will do, most of the people will draw instead of a square, they will draw rhombus. So the problem will start. If the initial figures are not correct, then the mistake will carry forward in the next figures also. So initially draw the top view, draw the front view, then second stage light on the HP slant edge, draw the top view, and finally turn it like this so that OC, that is the slant edge, will be perpendicular to VP. I hope you understand the problem. Draw this in your sketchbook or drawing sheet. Thank you very much.